Welcome back to Triple X Learnings. Today we have very interesting question, that is root under 11 power root under 24 minus root under x is equal to 121. Question arises how we can solve this one. So before going to proceed, I would like to recall one formula, that is a to the power suppose b, that is equal to a to the power c. If these terms are equal, obviously their exponents will be equal. If we can say that if bases are same. Okay, so here if bases are same, obviously their exponents will be equal, then these terms will be equal. Let's proceed. Here we have this formula. Okay, and based on this formula we can solve this question. Here 11 root 11 can be written as 11 power 1 upon 2, and this power is already there, so we can write here root under 24 minus root under x, that is equal to 121 can be written as 11 square, right? So here you can see that the bases are same, and this power and this power will going to multiply together, and we can write in this way 1 upon 2 into root under 24 minus root under x, and that is equal to 11 square. So here bases are same, obviously their exponents will be equal, so I'm just going to equate their exponents. Here 1 upon 2 root under 24 minus root under x, that is equal to 2. Now we can proceed ahead. Here we have this root is in this way, root under 24 minus root under x, and this coefficient is coming here on the other side, that is in the product form, right? So 1 upon 2, here 2 will come here, 2 into 2, that is coming 4. So here 4 and root under 24 minus root under x. I need to remove this root, so I'm just putting a square on both sides. So this is what 24 minus root under x, and this one can be write as half, just exponent, half exponent, and I'm putting a square on both sides. So here 4 square, and it is giving 16, and this 2 and 2 cancel, so we have 24 minus root under x, and this value I need to put all the constant on the right side and all the variables on the left side. Based on this concept, I can write here 16 minus 24, yes, and it is root under x, negative or root under x, and here just calculate what is this, it is coming minus 8, negative 8, right? And then we can multiply minus on both sides, so we will have root under x is equal to 8. So after squaring, because I need to get x, I don't want root under x, so I need to square on both sides. So if I'm squaring on both sides, I'll have x is equal to 64 after squaring on both sides, and this is our solution. Let's check it out whether it is right or wrong. So we are just going to verify it. Okay, so let's verify. To verify, we have to get LHS term and RHS term to verify. So here LHS term is root under 11, and there is a power 24, root under 24 minus root under x, and the value for x is here 64. I'm just going to put here, so root under 11 and power 24, root under x is what, 64, so I'm putting here 64 root under, and it is giving us this is root under 11, and here it is 24, and root 64 is 8, so 24 minus 8 is 16, so it is coming root under 11, and here 16, root 16 is coming 4, so root under 11 and power is 4 over here. So this one is telling that, okay, here root under 11 power 4. So power is 1 upon 2. This root can be written as, and there is also power over 4. So now these exponents will be multiplied together. 1 upon 2 into 4, this is going to cancel, so we have 11 square, and that is coming 121. So it is our RHS term. So obviously our LHS and RHS both are same, so this indicates that our result is correct, this one. So thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye, see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.